What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Baby Doge today. As you can see, we're still trading sideways today, but we got some stuff to go over and some new listings that has actually happened and some listings that are soon to be coming to Baby Doge. So anyways, hit that like button and subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. If you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the Cash App or PayPal donation link in the description. And let's get right with the video. So, the first thing we got to talk about with Baby Doge, the 24-hour market control is in control by the bulls by 60%. We were 80% bullish, and a few days before that, we were 100% bullish because we had this little uptrend inside Baby Doge. But now we're back down to 60% bullish. So that's pretty close to pretty much 50% bearish. It's pretty close to hitting that bearish area. But what we do have to look at for Baby Doge is the support line here. We very briefly broke this support around 3.8. So since we very briefly broke that support, we started to rise up here again. Now, in my previous video, I mentioned how if we break this support, then we're probably going to, take a little bit of a dip here down to 3.8 and then try to rise back up to the supply and demand of less demand before, we get maybe rejected here because it is less demand. This whole area here shows less demand. So technically, Baby Doge should start trending back down here to the support line all the way down here at 3.850. And then once we hit that 3.850 line, we could actually end up trying to get back up here and then, trading inside of a little sideways moving pattern here. The reason why I'm mentioning this is because I showed in my previous video yesterday. Let me take off these indicators. But look, I showed in the video yesterday how we could do something like this because look, we have higher lows here. Look, higher low, higher low. Now we have a new low that we just set around 3,800 and then lower highs, as you can see. Lower highs, boom, lower highs down here, lower, and the highs just get lower and lower. So it kind of seems like we're going to meet Baby Doge somewhere around here in the middle. So somewhere from 4.0 down, or well, really from 4.1 down to 4.0 or 3.9. So really from 4.1 to 3.9. So that is pretty much where we're looking at Baby Doge right now for tomorrow. See Baby Doge going somewhere over there. Now, if we break below this line here, because remember, we are having lower or these higher lows, but if we break below this line here, expect Baby Doge to slowly but surely trend back downwards. But we just now got on a new listing. So this is more market cap flowing to Baby Doge. And this could start like a whole snowball effect where a bunch of like different exchanges start to list Baby Doge because that's just how things happen. When one exchange lists, another one lists. And then they see that the other exchanges are making money off of a certain asset and then they list as well. So we could actually see Baby Doge getting listed on multiple different exchanges back to back just by the snowball effect. So the exchange that we actually just got listed to is Biconomy. So shout out to Biconomy for listing Baby Doge. And really, this is a pretty good exchange. I've been doing some research on it, and they actually have their own coin called BIT. So they have Biconomy, and then they have the BIT coin. But look, they have this whole USD trading pair with Baby Doge. So that's pretty good. And I don't have the exchange myself, so I can't tell if they already listed it. But they said it was going to be listed today at 11 UTC, and it's definitely past 11 UTC. So let me know in the comment section if you use this exchange and if they actually have it on there by now. But they should, because that's what they said. But anyways, they said they have the native BIT coin. So they're actually doing pretty good here, 64.6K followers, and they're from Canada, as you can see. So that's definitely pretty good. It's definitely a pretty good setup here with Biconomy. Like, I just think 64.6K followers, that's definitely pretty good. As long as we see exchanges with a solid fan base actually listing Baby Doge. We don't want exchanges. Well, I mean, we could have exchanges that have like really low followers, really low people using it. But still, we want exchanges that actually have volume and market cap flowing through it. Because the more volume we get with Baby Doge, the closer we're going to get to 61. And then the closer we're going to get listed to these larger exchanges. So we need to see some volume coming in through Baby Doge. But anyways, they have 300,000 users, 100K plus community. That's probably like loyal people, and then 300K people just using the platform. And they have 5 total offices, and they have the native Bitcoin, or not native Bitcoin, but the native Bit token. So over here, you also see that they have a 5% dividend rate for holding their native coin. So you have been waiting for this. We are starting to pay the first dividends to Bit token. So they have the Bit token, and now they're paying dividends for people holding that for Q4. So 5%, that was for Q4 2021. They're giving the dividends from then now. So 5% is what they're pretty much giving their people for holding their Bit token. So that's definitely a pretty good yield right there, yield rating. I want to see them also do some kind of thing like staking or some kind of dividend thing for Baby Doge. That'll definitely be cool too. And I wonder if the reflections actually work on there. So if you all use Bitconomy, definitely let me know if the reflections work on there. That'll definitely be good for the whole Baby Doge army to know. Now, let's talk about this next thing. As you all know, we got the Baby Doge wallet coming out. That's going to be big. We got the NFT collection and the NFT marketplace, and then the virtual and physical debit cards, and also the exchange and the arcade. So once all this stuff comes in, that's going to be some big volume for Baby Doge. And I think we're nearing closer and closer to a release of one of our utilities or possibly another exchange. The reason why I say this is because when you go to the Baby Doge website, they no longer have the wallet tracker here. And you can also look down here and they're talking about the audit that they're doing. Somewhere on here, they're talking about the audit. So the fact that we don't have the wallet tracker on here shows that they're actually updating the website. Maybe they're trying to put something new on there. Maybe they're putting the NFT marketplace. Maybe they're putting the wallet. Maybe they're doing something with Baby Doge. But yeah, it's no longer on here. So something's happening behind the scenes here with Baby Doge. So you definitely want to watch out for that. And you definitely want to make sure that you're just prepared because a lot of people are waiting for 3.2. I mentioned how the 3.2 support could happen, but a lot of people are waiting for 3.2. I would say right now is a good time to get in. You just don't want to wait till the bottom. Just buy in progressively. It's like the easiest way to do it. But anyways, you can see over here the selling volume on oscillator is actually starting to come into some buying volume. But this kind of looks like a short-lived uptrend here. So I really do feel like we're about to trend back down to the 3.8 support. So we're just gonna have to get ready for it. And yeah, we've just been going sideways, but I'm still bullish inside the whole overall crypto market. I think everything's gonna be bullish coming very soon. But like I said, right now could be a bull trap, but I just feel like there's gonna be one more crash before we really take off. So I don't know. I'm just gonna say that right now. I don't know exactly what's happening. I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But when you see stuff like this happen, like when you see huge crashes going from 70K Bitcoin all the way, well, 69K Bitcoin all the way down to 35K, and then start to rise from there and not hitting 30K or not even hitting 20K before then, this is definitely a bull trap. This is just me. This is what I think personally. This is a bull trap, and I'm saying this with the Baby Doge video because when Bitcoin pulls back, if Bitcoin pulls back to 35, 30K, possibly even 28K, then you're gonna see other coins pull back as well. So Baby Doge could easily pull back with that. The only reason why we're going crazy while Bitcoin was going down previously was pretty much because of the hype. There was so much hype around Baby Doge. Everyone's FOMOing into Baby Doge. Baby Doge was the hot topic. Everyone wanted to be a part of the Baby Doge army. So that's why when Bitcoin was going down, Baby Doge was going crazy up. So right now, what you're going to see though, if Bitcoin does this pullback now, we've kind of stabilized. The hype is still not as large as it was. We've actually stabilized here. So if we see this whole pullback happen inside of Bitcoin, we're probably going to see Baby Doge hit this 3.2 area next. And that could be where we pull back next if this hype is really a bull trap. If it's a bull trap, then you're going to see Baby Doge pull back to there and do some kind of movements like that. I know it's not going to look exactly like that, but this is possibly what we can see with Baby Doge. But anyways, I don't really have too much for the technicals today because we haven't done much movement since yesterday. So since we haven't done much movement since yesterday, all we can really look at right now for the technicals is the supply and demand of less demand. This right here is indicating that we're getting rejected. And actually, you see how these red outlines are pretty much outlining this green candlestick. That indicates that we're actually about to go on a downtrend here. So the fact that we're actually building this, and now you're going to see these green bars going downwards like this, and you're going to see more green bars going downwards. So we're about to see a downtrend back inside of Baby Doge. So we're probably going to see 3.8 coming very soon with Baby Doge. And look, we already briefly hit 3.8. We're around 3.7. But yeah, I think Baby Doge is about to do it again. So definitely get prepared. As you can see over here on the oscillator, there was a little bit of buying that just randomly came in, but that buying was very short lived and now it's turning into some selling. But yeah, I'm still bullish with Baby Doge long term. And I'm also pretty bullish with Baby Doge short term. But right now, we just got to wait for that last pullback inside the whole overall crypto market. That's just how I think. This is how I see it. That's just what I believe is going to happen. But anyways, we're actually almost at 1.4 million holders. We're at 1,390,300, or yeah, 1,390,754 holders. That's a lot of holders right there. We need 10K more holders. Hit that refresh button from 754 all the way to 805. So yeah, eventually we're going to get to this 1.4 million holders, and that's going to be a really, really nice buying, not buying point. I was actually looking at this. I don't know why I was looking at that. That's going to be a really nice uptrend when we actually hit 1.4 million. And why am I saying uptrend? Because those 10,000 people that come into Baby Doge, that's more volume going into Baby Doge. Every time we get more people into Baby Doge, we get more volume. So at 1.4 million, we're going to be getting more volume. That's a huge milestone. And it's just a huge milestone. The more we pump, the more people we get in Baby Doge, the higher we're gonna go with the volume. But anyways, as you can see though, we have 4,000 new holders today, so that's pretty good. And as you can see, we're also doing some good volume today, 25.1 million. So the more holders that come in, more volume comes in. And on top of that, we also have that listing that came out, the whole economy listing. So more volume is going to come in through that as well. And then we just need to get listed to Coinbase, Binance, and crypto.com. And then boom, we're doing good. But yeah, anyways, I'm really waiting on these major listings because that's really what's going to help us rise inside Baby Doge. And yeah, diamond hands to the moon. But anyways, 18.14 trillion inside of coins burned. So that is how much coins we burnt today. Give or take $50,000, something like that, some crazy amount like that. But anyways, I want to actually show you some whales. I did a lot of whale watching yesterday, but I just kind of want to show you what the whales are doing today, like in combat of what happened yesterday. Like we had a lot of sales yesterday, but now today you're seeing a lot of buys. So this Baby Dogecoin whale came in, bought $292,000 worth of Baby Doge. Remember the $1 million sale from yesterday? Well, yeah, now we got thousands of dollars today. $292,000 purchased here in Baby Doge, 74.36 trillion bought by this whale here. This is one of the humpback whales. So yeah, this is one of the big time whales right here. So let's actually click this right here because that's a lot right there. Today, this whale is now holding 1 quadrillion. Yesterday, they only had 9.976 million, or a trillion, not million. But now they have 1 quadrillion Baby Doge, which comes out to be $4.1 million. They bought an extra $292,000 today. Like that's huge. That's a really significant purchase here with Baby Doge. And if you go over here, you can see everything that they're holding. So most of their money is actually inside of Binance pegged. What is this? Binance pegged tokens or whatever this is. I don't know. Binance pegged something. I think this is BUSD that they're holding their money in, but they're probably just waiting for an increase or a decrease in like Baby Doge so they can throw their money in it. But yeah, the most of their money is in Baby Doge. Still, time and time again, we're seeing these whales with almost all of their money in Baby Doge. $4.3 million all in Baby Doge. And then Binance pegged something is $1.7 million. And then they got a bunch of random tokens here, bunny token, swipe, ellipsis, or something like that, alien worlds. They just got a bunch of random tokens here with tens of thousands of dollars inside here. This is a huge whale right here. This is a really big time whale. And the fact that they got all these different coins, but the top coin that they're holding is Baby Doge. Out of all the coins, they got a quadrillion, a whole quadrillion of Baby Doge. And literally 5 minutes ago, they just now purchased, this is million, billion, 10.5 billion, and then 1.2 billion, and then 3 trillion. So you can see this Baby Doge whale is literally buying every single hour of Baby Doge. They are doing some sales, but they're just losing money because that 10% transaction is probably eating up on their profits. So Baby Doge is really not smart to trade. Maybe this whale is just trying to manipulate the prices because they're definitely not making money on this. Every single sale is pretty much losing 10%. So yeah, this whale is definitely not making money doing these trades. But anyways, 5.72 trillion sold from that whale. Not too much money, 22K right there. This whale right here sold 10K. They still have $2.4 million. That other one I just showed had $3.5 million still. So yeah, even though we're seeing all these whales doing some buys and sells, they still have millions of dollars of baby Doge. So it's really not that big of a deal. So yeah, this whale sold 275K of baby Doge, but they still have about 788K worth of baby Doge. So we're still having big time purchases and big time sales going in, but there is a lot of sales. But the sales are not going to outweigh the buys, and the buys are just too significant. Like I already showed one back here, that huge purchase inside Baby Doge. But yeah, anyways, we got lots of good stuff still going on from Baby Doge. So shout out to the whole Baby Doge army for making this happen. And this is the top Baby Doge whale right here with $18 million in Baby Doge, which is pretty much probably just an exchange or something like that. But yeah, anyways, this is all I really got for you all today. I just wanted to make sure to mention that the wallet tracker is down. So they're probably updating the website. I don't know what they're doing to the website. They may be putting something new on there. But look, the wallet tracker was always right under the audit by Certic. So maybe Certic is auditing something and it involves the wallet tracker. So maybe they're actually trying to get the wallet out, the Baby Doge wallet, and they need to update the wallet tracker in order to do that. Something like that. I don't know. Anything could be happening. I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But yeah, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. Definitely hit the like button, subscribe. It really does help the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the Cash App or PayPal donation link in the description. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.